Yes.
So, we will introduce them to all of you. So, this is the first one I made. His name is Pagdi. What is his name?
Pagdi.
Okay, Pagdi. Next one I made is a girl. Her name is Sweetie. She has a cap, a necklace choker. She has a sari. And she's looking beautiful. Who is she?
Sweetie.
Sweetie. Okay. Next I had is Click.
Click.
So, let's click a photo. Click. Okay. Who is he?
Click.
Good. Next one I had is Barber. He also has a scissor in his hand. Who wants to cut the hair? I'll cut it for you. Yeah, I'll get your hair. Cut. Okay. Who is he?
How was it again? Wow.
So, yeah. Barber.
Okay.
Next we have Safe. As in the corona times, everyone has to be safe. So, he's giving a lesson to everyone. Okay. Listen to Safe. I would like to tell all of you that I, being a toy doll, is also taking measures. So please, all of you, take it. Thank you. He also has a board saying "Go Corona Go." He also has a PPT kit and a mask, a shield, everything. So these were all the dolls. I hope you like all of them. And please tell me if I should do some changes. Thank you.
Thank you.